LONGTEC, founded in 2004, has served over 10,000 process industry clients around the world. We are a leader in automation and digitalization for chemical plants in China. We have R&D and manufacturing bases in South and East China, with a global service network covering Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, India, Turkey, UAE, Brazil, UK, Australia, and more. Products and services include automated chemical filling and packaging systems. Delivers integrated automated solutions for liquid chemical production lines, including precision filling, automated labeling and packaging, robotic palletizing and more. Chemical plant automation systems, including PLC, DCS, and batch, along with electrical installation engineering. Weighing instruments and meters, online moisture analyzers, level meters, and online NIR spectroscopic analyzers. Consulting and services for MES, WMS and APS systems. Serving industries including resins, adhesives, coatings, inks, silicones, waterproofing materials, composite materials, lubricants, agrochemicals, pharmaceutical chemicals, flavor and fragrance ingredients, and chemical additives. LONGTEC, driving to become the global leader in process industry digital intelligence solutions. Looking forward to collaborating with you.